So today we're gonna be working on cutting the sheet metal that's gonna separate the front seat from the trunk. We'll have to pop rivet that in place and seal it and whatnot. We're gonna end up doing some cutting on the back window plate, or the plate that sits in the back window, because we're gonna put some 6x9s in there. Then seal that, pop rivet that. Then hopefully we get in the dyno mat so that we can dyno mat all the way up the back seat and into the back window. Well, let's see how far we can get. So we've got the plate all cut out, and we've drilled a few places for the rivets. This is about to be
in there.
Oh yeah. Got the plate all riveted in, and we sealed it. And now I'm gonna work on the back plate. We're gonna actually reuse it. It wasn't like that bad. And we're gonna pop rivet it in. But before that, started working on stencils here for the 6x9s that are gonna go in. So I got one cut out, got it drawn, the other stencil drawn, and then I'm gonna figure out placement on the back plate here. All right, so it actually worked out. We got one 6x9 hole cut out. And Junior and I had a deal that if I do one, he does the other.
Word, we're in there.
I got mine done.
I'm working on it.
All right, so we got the front plate done, you saw earlier, and we got the top plate installed now. So next step will be dynomatting it and then putting carpet over all of it. What do you tell them, Zuka?